Hello everyone, welcome to Speakyway, the story of learning English. My name is Fio, and I'm so excited to have you here. If you've ever struggled with learning English, speaking fluently, or expressing yourself confidently, don't worry, this channel is here to help you. You know why I started Speakyway? I know that learning a language can sometimes feel difficult, confusing, and even frustrating. Many people want to speak English confidently, but don't know where to start. That's why I created Speakyway. My goal is to make learning English simple, enjoyable, and effective by using creative methods like stories, real-life conversations, and practical lessons that you can use every day. What will you learn here? On this channel, we will focus on learning English through stories, because stories make learning fun and memorable. Improving communication skills so you can express yourself clearly and confidently. Fluency. And pronunciation tips to help you sound more natural. Grammar and vocabulary, but in an easy and practical way without boring lessons. And last one, real-life conversations, so you can use English in daily situations without hesitation. No matter if you're a beginner or someone who wants to level up their English, Speakyway is here to guide you. You know, why should you subscribe our channel? I believe that English is not just a language, it's a powerful tool that can open doors to better job opportunities, education, travel, personal growth, and your success. By joining Speakyway, you'll gain the confidence to speak English. Anytime, anywhere. So, if you're ready to improve your English and enjoy the journey, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what challenges do you face while learning English? What topics would you like me to cover in future videos? Your feedback helps me create the best content for you. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait to start this journey with you. See you in the next video. Let's learn and grow together. Bye for now. See you soon.